In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Linktree to Facebook. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in a couple of minutes. Start by opening your Linktree admin. This is where you manage the links your audience will see. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and choose Links. This is the home base for adding, editing, and organizing everything on your Linktree. You'll see any links you've already created, plus controls to add new ones. Next, click the Add button to create a new link. A panel will open where you can search for popular link types. In the search bar, type Facebook. This filters the options so you don't have to scroll or guess which format to use. When you see Facebook in the results, click it. Choosing the Facebook option applies the right setup for that platform, saving you time and keeping things consistent with the familiar Facebook look and feel. Now it's time to fill in the details. In the title field, enter a short, clear label that tells people exactly what they're tapping. Think along the lines of "follow us on Facebook" or your page name. Keep it concise and recognizable so it's easy to scan on mobile. Right below that, paste your Facebook URL in the URL field. Use the full link starting with HTTPS, and make sure it points directly to the page, profile, or group you want people to land on. A clean, accurate URL helps prevent broken links and ensures your analytics reflect real clicks. With the basics in place, let's make the link stand out visually. Click Layout to open the design options for this specific link. Then click Thumbnail. This turns on a small image or icon beside your button, which draws the eye and can increase tap-throughs, especially on long Linktree lists. If your plan supports additional styling, this is also where you can keep your Facebook link on brand while still being instantly recognizable. As you work, Linktree saves changes automatically, and you'll usually see a live preview on the right. Take a moment to confirm the title is readable, the URL looks correct, and the thumbnail is visible. A quick visual check now helps avoid confusion later for your visitors. And that's it. You've added your Facebook presence to your Linktree, given it a clear title, a correct URL, and a thumbnail that helps it pop. When someone lands on your Linktree, your Facebook link will be ready to go and easy to find. Thanks for watching and happy linking.